Hey, this is my review of the BENGOO gaming keyboard. I've had a full-size keyboard. I've had the mechanical keyboard. I've had, you name it. I've tried different ones. The weight on this one is pretty light. I do like the height of the keys. You can see, I mean, the touch is nice. It gives you some tactile, actually, depressions that you can do without the noise of the mechanical. What I will flag for you is I don't like the numerical pad on the right. I have a tendency, and I'm used to putting the numbers being right here. And so, but with this one, they have added in the directional arrow keys, the 0 and the decimal point right here at the bottom. And then your numerical keys actually start at the top of this keyboard. And I think that that's a little awkward because I'm used to the 3 and all that being down here. And so cramming that all in is a little bit awkward for me. It's fine for gaming. I mean, really you're working the left side anyways with the WASD, but it's just a little different getting used to on that one. There's no screen print functionality or anything like that. No scroll lock or insert the inserts down here, but the scroll lock and the screen print and all that. So if you wanted to do alt print screen or control print screen, you're not going to be able to do that with this keyboard. So just a couple of minor things to keep in mind as you do that. But I mean, like I said, I use it for my Warzone setup here, as you can see, as I play Call of Duty. It's easy to do. It fits right here. I love the feel of the keys as I use it with the WASD. So it's keyboard and mouse setup, but what they've done here is a little awkward for me. And then to control the lights, you simply press down on the button and you can scroll through the available options. And you'll see those here. You got your rainbow flow, pulse in and out, different colors, and then steady glow with the different colors. And I like to leave mine on steady red. So anyways, all in all, pretty good for the price. Not necessarily my favorite keyboard, but it's not bad either.